We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hello, I'm Nathan with Onyx Imaging, and today we're going to look at this HP Officejet Pro 8210. Today we're going to show you how to change the IP address to a static one. So in the main menu, we're going to go down to Network, push OK, and then we're going to go to Ethernet settings and push OK. And then we're going to go down one to advanced settings and push OK. And on this, the very first one, the IP settings, you're going to click that and make sure it's on static and push OK. And after that, the IP address, you can click it, and from this menu you can change the IP address to whatever you like. And that would be it. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.